So excited. I got my Beast blender in. This is the Beast Mini. So with the Mini, here's the unboxing. Inside there's some directions. It comes in a really cute little envelope, and on the envelope it says the Beast. But oh boy, here are the pieces. Look at this as a mini. This reservoir is huge. This is all, okay, wait a second. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. You would take this off, so this whole entire reservoir to the bottom will be filled with your smoothie. So look how big this is. Like, what a monster smoothie that's gonna be. I think this might be the 650 ml. I have to look, but I want to think this is a 650 ml, so the biggest cup, because they have smaller cups. Like, they have a one that you can do that might be a little less than half of this, maybe about where my finger is to the bottom for sauces and things. And then they have one that's about this tall where my finger is to the bottom as a mini smoothie reservoir. And then this one. So I purchased this from Kohls, the Beast blender. It wasn't labeled as the mini. So let's get in close and see if we can get some details here. So it's 1,000 mLs. Nice. So this reservoir is 1,000 mLs. It comes with the base, the blender base, and then it comes with various tops. So the carry top, the lid, and a spout. It also comes with 2 straws, the little brush to clean your straw, and then a little brush to maybe clean the inside of the blender top so that it's not getting all stuck on with goop and such. But here's, I don't know if I can get in close enough of the descriptions for you. Yeah, so cleaning brush for the straw and for the reservoir. So anywho, this is the Beast blender. Very excited. This is in a color gray. They have white, stark white, black. They have like a burnt orange, a nice dark teal, and then of course this gray, but it looks kind of like a taupe. It's really classy. I love it. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna take it off screen so I can try to open it. Here we go. So here's the top. Sorry about the shaking. Here's the blender top with the blades. And here's the open reservoir, so you get an idea. Now this is going to be my smoothie for the day. Look how much smoothie that's going to hold. That's at least a shareable serving of a smoothie. 1,000 mLs is quite a bit. And here's the inside so you can get a feel for how you would fill that up. Look at how you could just dump so much product: spinach, bananas, the water, your flaxseed, yogurt, milk, everything you'd need for the perfect smoothie, protein powder. Just blend that up and you're ready to go. So you have a few tops here. If you wanted to just put this top on, you can drink it straight away. We're just going to test a few. Pop your straw in there. You can screw on this top, carry it like so. Of course, if I have the top screwed on, carry it like so. Or if I'm not really going to be carrying it, just putting it down. Where's the other top? Here we are. We can also bring it like this if we wanted to. And then lastly, if I were just making, I don't know, whatever, and storing it, not bringing it to work, but I wanted to just store it for later, I will put on the storage lid. And there you go. So anyway, that's the unboxing. I apologize. I know this video was a little shaky, a little discombobulated. I'm doing it one-handed. because I don't have my stand upstairs, but awesome, awesome blender. I cannot wait to actually put it to use and make a wonderful smoothie. So great. So anyway, I'm going to screw the blender top back on, and then boop, it just attaches to the base like so. And there is a button in the back of the base. I believe that's how it works. But so I suspect, yes, we're going to just hold that button while it pulses and it's making all of your smoothies. So there it is in action. So super excited. Can't wait to use it. The Beast. I'm trying to get the color tone for you. You see, it's a kind of a taupe gray. Very classy, very, very nice. So mine is in a gray color. But anyway, the Beast blender. And it's perfect for smoothies, making sauces. If you wanted to make an acai bowl, whatever your desire is to make. I'm super excited to use it. I cannot wait. Before I go, there are a couple pictures on the side here. So, you know, a couple different smoothies, green fruits. Oh. Here's a description of everything in the box. Okay. And there's one more glimpse at the beautiful Beast. Wonderful box. I love the presentation. It's very, very classy. Very nice. So anyway, I am definitely a Ninja girl. I love my Ninja blender. I wanted to give this one a try just because the reservoir is so big without me reinvesting in a monster blender for just myself and my smoothies. So this is a fabulous option. And like I said, it comes with 2 straws, not 1, but 2. The different tops, and of course the blender system itself. So price point is approximately anywhere from, it all depends. There are sales going on, and you can certainly get this for as low as $130-ish to $199, depending on what you want. If you want the smaller one, the mini, if you want this system. This particular one was 150 something. However, I did go through Kohls. They had a sale. If you have a Kohls charge, you can get 30% off or 20% off, depending on what sale they're doing. And you have the potential to earn cash back, Kohls cash. So I did that. So ultimately, I think it ended up being 112, and I earned Kohls cash. So, you know, I minus that from the price. So, I mean, I could say I spent about $80 to get this blender system for a $150 blender system. But anywho, that's another story for another day, how to make Kohls work for you. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial or this kind of unboxing, and I hope that you give the Beast a try, if it's for you, of course. All right, bye.